The Cricket World Cup is an international cricket tournament contested by teams from different countries. Here's a brief history of the Cricket World Cup. 1. Inauguration. The first Cricket World Cup was held in 1975 in England. It was organized by the International Cricket Council, ICC, the governing body of cricket. The tournament featured 8 teams, and the matches were played in a 60 overs per side format. 2. Format changes. Over the years, the format of the tournament has evolved. Initially, it was a round-robin format with 2 groups, followed by semifinals and a final. Later, the number of teams increased, and different formats like Super Sixes and Super Eights were introduced. Since 1992, the tournament has mostly followed a round-robin and knockout format. 3. West Indies dominance. In the first 2 World Cups, 1975 and 1979, the West Indies emerged as the champions. Led by Clive Lloyd, they showcased a dominant performance with their fast bowlers and strong batting lineup. 4. Rise of Australia. From the late 1990s to the early 2000s, Australia became the dominant force in World Cup cricket. They won 3 consecutive titles in 1999, 2003, and 2007 under the captaincy of Steve Waugh and Ricky Ponting. Australia's success was attributed to their strong all-round team, including world-class batsmen and bowlers. 5. Indian triumphs. India has won the Cricket World Cup twice. Their first victory came in 1983, when Kapil Dev led the team to a surprising win over the West Indies in the final. The second victory occurred in 2011, when MS Dhoni captained the team to a memorable triumph on home soil, defeating Sri Lanka in the final. 6. Pakistan's success. Pakistan won the World Cup in 1992 under the captaincy of Imran Khan. They displayed exceptional team spirit and made a remarkable comeback after a poor start in the tournament. 7. Sri Lankan victory. In 1996, Sri Lanka emerged as the champions under the captaincy of Aravinda de Silva. They defeated Australia in the final to claim their first-ever World Cup title. 8. Recent champions. In the most recent editions of the World Cup, England won their first-ever title in 2019, defeating New Zealand in a thrilling final. The match ended in a tie, and England were declared winners based on the boundary countback rule. 9. Future World Cups. The Cricket World Cup is scheduled to take place every 4 years. The next edition is planned for 2023, which will be jointly hosted by India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka,